Good morning, respected MD sir, CEO ma'am, principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. We stand here today on this significant occasion to honor a song which is far more than just a melody and a verse. We are here to commemorate Vande Mataram, the soul of our nation and our sacred national song. Vande Mataram, composed by our literary genius Sri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee nearly 150 years ago. He wrote this masterpiece on 7 November 1875. Vande Mataram personifies India not just as a piece of land, but as a divine mother, a symbol of strength, prosperity, and divinity. We, the whole D.A.V family Anjar, will sing Vande Mataram not just with our voice, but with pride and passion of every Indian heart.
Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malaya Shashitalam, Shasya Shamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pulla Kusumita Dhruvanala Shobhini, Subhashini, Sumadura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varanam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Koti Koti Kantha Kala Kala Ninad Karale, Koti Koti Bruje Druta Bhar Bhar Vale, Vande Mataram, Tumi Veeda, Tumi Dharma, Tumi Hridaya, Tumi Tumi Prana, Shariye, Bahude Tumi Ma Shakti, Hridaye Tumi Ma Bhakti, तुम्हारे प्रतिमा कोने मंदिरे मंदिरे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे दुर्गा दश प्रहरण धारिणी, कमला कमल दल विहारिणी, वाणी विद्या दायिनी, नमामि कमला अफलामतुलं, सुजलां सुफलां मातरं, वन्दे मातरं, वन्दे मातरं, Vande Mataram.
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे
Matram.
Vande
Matram.
Vande
Matram.
I would like to call up our head girl, Tanya, for pledge.
Raise your right hand for the pledge. We, the citizens of India, solemnly take a pledge on this historic occasion of 150 years of our national song Vande Mataram. We pledge to uphold the idols of unity, liberty, and integrity that is cat song inspired in every Indian heart. We resolve to dedicate ourselves to the service of our motherland, to preserve her culture, language, and heritage, and to work tirelessly for her progress and prosperity. Let the script of Vande Mataram, the song of sacrifice, devotion, and patriotism, guide us always to live our national, to serve with honesty, and to strengthen our democracy. Vande Mataram